Hey guys, so right now I'm here at the Friends Experience, the one in Manila. We start doing this, like the squat.
Someone told you life was gonna be this way. Judge a joke you wrote, love like COA. It's like you're always talking second gear. When it hasn't been your day,
Tapos magbitawan ko eh.
you think you're here, but I'll be there for you.
Hey guys, so right now we are here for the Friends Experience in Manila. And we got first dibs to visit the exhibit right before it opens to the public. Thank you so much, Kokoy, for this. So we're entering. So they allow people to enter every 15 minutes. So we missed the 3:15 mark. So we're going to enter at 3:30. So right now we are here at the space Solaire. It's basically just right beside the theater. I got a little confused because there were no signs to look for the space. Pero basically it's just beside the theater. You can get your tickets here at Ticket World. They also have like an exhibit here outside the very famous Central Perk na couch. Here with the Kokoy! Salamat po sa ayuda.
TV ang atake.
Ako wala, New York lang. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ay, sorry.
Ito ba ka? Yan, enter na po.
Ay, cool.
Is it point?
Yes. Pinoint 5 ko na. Ito ba?
Ito ba din? Pen.
Sige. Wala pa eh. Hi, I think may ano pa, may introduction. Yeah. Yes. Hi! Hi!
Hello. Uy, ang ganda ng lighting ah.
Actually,
Yeah, the light is
I'm so proud sa inyo. Doon ka nga. Woo!
That's fine.
Sorry.
Alright, hello, hi, my name is Dave.
Silent dito.
Friends, we are meeting other friends.
We gotta start with the sofa, right?
baka yung tao.
Thank you so much. Okay, so behind this door right here is the world where Chandler really wants to woke up. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah? Great.
Woo! Oh, so cool.
If you don't
Ta-ta-da.
want your photo taken,
Let's go. Welcome to the Friends Experience here in Manila. Okay. One also, or so when you enter, they have their outfits here. There's kay Ross, kay Rachel. Ooh, I know this one. Monica Geller. Chandler. I love this outfit. Tanong niya sa akin kung may anak ba daw si Rachel. Ano ba? Te. Ano nangyari kay Emma? Ah, kay Phoebe yun. And she didn't keep the babies, diba? It went to her brother. Ay, fan na fan.
alam na alam.
Of course. So they are here called the Rachel. Oh, all the wigs, all the wigs. So these are all the wigs of Rachel, the bob. I don't remember this hair.
I mean, baka bumagsak na siya. Pero
Kasi parang I don't remember naging brown siya. I think ito yung pinaka mas iconic, this one. Yeah, ako ito, at saka ito. Ito, ito ata ng waitress siya. The ponytail.
yeah. Feeling ko kasi
I think these two.
Kasi nga, ano,
Called the Rachel. Ito na yung pivot. Pivot. Yay! Can I touch it? Ayan guys, ito yung pivot. Pivot! Pivot! Kita ba? Kita, sir? 1, 2, 3, go. Ah! Perk! Yes! This is the part that Ross was a kid and then he created this comic strip called Science Boy and someone mugged him. And it was Phoebe.
Okay.
Yes.
Medyo naalala ko na.
Di niya alam yung Science Boy. Kakaloka. Wow! Okay, after them. Okay guys, right now we are here inside Chandler Bay and Joey's apartment. They have the iconic Lazy Boy chairs that akala ni Joey, I think he destroyed, so they bought another one. Or was it Chandler? I don't remember. And of course, the very famous tape. I don't know what you call this. Table. Ano ba yun? Football, soccer football table. Yan. In the last episode, the baby chick and the baby duck got stuck inside. So Monica had to break it. Because diba, I rewatched it na kanina. I don't remember this though. Then here guys, ito yung iconic that they built this cabinet, remember? And I don't remember, was it Joey who got locked inside?
Yeah, parang ko yun.
And then someone stole all of their stuff. And look! It's the penguin! Joey's favorite stuffed toy. I forgot his name. It's the one that Emma wanted. But then Joey didn't want to give it to her. Yun lang. Let's go! Wait, 1, 2, 3, go! Ay, hindi! Wait! Ulit! Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! The one with Pat the dog. I remember the last episode, Monica was like to the movers, if you break this, it's okay. Binayaran niya yung mga movers na sirain to. So yeah, I think Joey was the one who bought this. I think, I'm not sure. When he became rich, diba parang he had like a nice apartment when he became a little rich, when he became famous. I think this is the one. I'm not sure. Maybe. And of course, guys, one of my favorite episodes ever, when, I don't remember the argument, but Joey and Chandler were fighting. So, sinuot ni Joey lahat ng clothes ni Chandler. Bing! As you can see. And he's not wearing any underwear. Then he started doing this. Like the squat. Hala, kakatakot naman yung step. Wow! Pang picture. See the details. Which was this? Ano to? Oh! Ang dami. Who's dated whom? Si Ross and Joey pinakamadami dyan. Ay, hindi. No, si Joey, he dated a lot of na hindi part ng group.
Sino?
Joey, like straight lang siya. Because they're all random women. But it's like, Rachel and Ross just basically dated. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh my God, the apartment! This is the apartment.
Ah, it's a heart.
But I think we're lining up.
Yeah.
Where's the line? Is there a line? Okay. Oh. Start? Or, okay, sorry. Oh my God! Wow! Okay guys, we just entered Rachel and Monica's apartment here at the one in Manila. Look at this! The purple door, everything's exactly detailed, which I absolutely love. Nakaka-excite siya. But I also want to show you the hallway then. Super ganda niya. Guys, now we're here at Monica's kitchen! It's so nice. It's so realistic. Talagang bawat detail is exactly how I imagined it. So exciting! Ang ganda niya. Even every detail, they have spices.
Ano yan? Monica's and
Rachel's apartment and also Phoebe's apartment at some point.
At some point.
Yes. So they had all of their Thanksgivings. Most of their scenes are either here
Yeah.
or sa Central Perk. Okay, picture. Let's pose. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at the details, guys. Yung details ng video. Even like the curtain under. There's the kitchen aid ni Monica. Hindi nga, parang hindi eh. It's very you. Yung color green, it's very you. I can't believe I'm here at the apartment. Chicken! I didn't see this chicken. Basta nagsasorry siya eh. Ay! That's the first time he said, I love you. Welcome to Central Perk! And this is where Smelly Cat was born. Also like a jukebox. Ayan na, the Central Perk. Hello, we're in Central Perk.
Smelly cat.
Smelly cat. What? So we're gonna ask them to take our video.
Yeah.
Para sabay naman kami.
Tsaka
At the
yung may
couch.
line kasi, so organized naman siya kahit.
Yes, ayan, my line, guys. So you have to be very patient here.
Tsaka kahit na wala kang tripod, they will help you shoot naman. So, solve ka naman doon. Di ba kailangan
Yes.
mo problema?
Kasi since there's a line naman,
Yeah.
so there's queuing, it's very organized. So yes, it's so nice. It looks so realistic. It's like exactly the ones you see in the show. Even the coffee shop, the
couch.
Central Perk. Ayun yung coffee cup na inuwi daw ni Rachel.
That's right.
And in real life, ni
The big
Jennifer,
one.
yeah, Jennifer Aniston. She kept the cup. Okay, we're now here at Central Perk. Pwede ba ito? The joke lang. Okay, cheers. Okay, for photo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll be there for you. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay guys, welcome to Central Perk. Pwede ba ito hawakan? Ay, pwede. Ang labo. Tapos may cake slicer. Naglilinis lang ako. Ito lang meron eh. I know, guys. So, welcome to Central Perk here and the one in Manila. Diba? You can actually wear their Central Perk na apron and be like Rachel with Gunther right here. Nandiyan na po si Rachel.
In real life.
Ito na po yung mga may-ari ng Solaire.
Solaire.
Oh my God! Tada. Ang bigat niya. Ang laki, ang bigat niya. Tapos mabitawan ko eh. Tapos pwede cinematic na close-up. Yung tumatakbo siya. Then, And that's it! After Central Perk, diretso na kayo sa souvenir shop. It's a really good experience, worth it siya. And it is a really great place to go with your friends. O, diba? Souvenir shop muna tayo. Parang I wanna buy Hugsy. Mayroon ding souvenir section here. Actually, kaya siya ng mga 1 hour or less than pa. Depends on yung crowd niya and how long you're willing to wait for the crowd to subside. But it was a really good experience, so make sure you guys go. Oh my God, they have the penguin! This one. Okay, kasi here walang ano. Sorry. Oh my God, may cup! Magkano yung cup?
Pero sige, mga kapo namin.
We have Hugsy. Oh, the chicks. So they have the chicks. They also have a tumbler. The tumbler is 1,200. Ooh. The different magnets. Oh my God, I want this picture frame. Kids, they have the picture frame.
Yeah.
Pero how much siya?
You can check it. Baka hindi.
Kasi wala akong glasses. Ang labo ng eyes.
Ano yung hinahanap mong item?
Magkano to? Pati yung, baka bilhin ko si Hugsy. Hindi, saka I wanted the mug. Pero black lang lahat ng mug. Ay,
Nice naman.
yeah, pero
Classic naman.
magkano? 900?
They have also the classic cups.
Kasi I'm thinking, which is better? I wanna get one. Either the mug or the coffee cup.
Dapat. Ay, ganito din sila. Pang coffee.
Ano mas maganda?
Anong ganito? Pang classic. Pero parang maganda din kasi.
Kasi hindi man ako nag-hot.
Bones na lang.
Although hindi ako nag-hot.
Hindi naman
No, it's the same.
kailangan hot. Ah, yeah. Same pala siya.
Kasi I don't drink hot coffee. But it looks nice.
May iconic
Like,
mug over here, guys. Central
Pero
Perk.
parang mas maganda yung quality ng regular mug compared to this.
Oo.
Sige nga, I'll get. Magkano? 900? Sige, push. You're my lobster! It's a priceless. Picture frame, 138. Ah!
Picture frame yan, di ba?
They have apron there. Where's the apron? Ay, yung baka yung kanina. Oven gloves, 900. Tote bag, 900. Notebook. At ito na nga po, I cannot decide what to get. I kinda wanna get Hugsy. Hugsy so cute! Kasi as a fan I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get this one. And
Get na yan, t-shirt.
no, ayoko ng mga shirt. Look at the earrings. Pero I don't wear earrings though. Actually, I don't have pierced ears. So parang
Talaga?
nagsara na siya. But it's so cute! It's Hugsy! Kasi the others, I was actually just planning to buy the mug. Hala, lobat na yung phone
you
ko.
get the mug din.
Ano?
You get the mug din.
Ang mahal. Girl, ang budget ko lang. It's like, I don't wanna go above 2.5.
May budget pala. Get it na for the...
No, but Hugsy is so cute.
This one.
Yeah. So less than 3K. It's cute.
When the rain starts to pour,